Okay, now in this video we're going to run a tensile test on the static hydraulic test system. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you go to the cabinet and you turn on electrical power. In this case, power is already on. Then we're going to launch Test Suite TW and open a test. So in this case, I'm launching TW Elite. You can also do this with TW Express. And you can see it's launching. And you choose a test. In this case, we're going to choose a static hydraulic simplified tensile test. So the test opens up. You can see the procedure and the design surface here and the outline for the test. And you can also see that we have an interlock. We are connected to the controller, so everything's okay there. So I'm going to want to go ahead and reset interlocks. So I was not able to reset interlocks. I'm going to see what the problem is. Okay, so I need to go over here now to the control panel and make sure that in the load unit control panel that the grip controls are both in the neutral position. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to attempt to reset the interlocks. Oh, I still have a problem. And okay, in this case the problem is the pump is off. So now I'm going to turn the pump on. You turn the pump on with the white button on this hydraulic control panel. This hydraulic control panel is not reflected in the TW control panel. It has to be turned on manually from here. Okay, now I'm going to reset interlocks, and that was successful. So now I'm essentially ready to install the specimen. So I'm going to get the specimen and go over here to the load unit, and I am going to enable control of the load unit or of this load unit control panel with the enable disable from the handset. Okay, now the handset does not control the lower crosshead, which is the only thing that moves for specimen installation, but you need to enable the load unit control panel controls with the enable disable from the handset. Okay, now I'm going to open up the door, and now I'm going to size the space between the upper crosshead and the lower crosshead with my specimen. And so in this case I'm looking and saying, you know, I want to move my my lower crosshead up so that I can get enough gripped in the lower grip. So to do that, I'm going to simply bring it up. I'm going to look and see where I'm at. I want to bring it up a little more. Again, look where I'm at. Now, one thing that's really important to note on this system is that when these grips engage, they actually move up. So there is a pinch hazard on this system where you have to anticipate those grips moving up. So now I'm with the upper grip open. I'm going to make sure my fingers are clear of that grip hazard, and I'm gonna set the specimen into the V notch, and I'm going to close the lower grip, or pardon me, close the upper grip. There, the grip is gripped. On the upper side, I'm going to do the same thing on the lower side. There, the grip is gripped completely on the upper and lower. I am going to close the door. I am going to give control back to Test Suite TW software. I'm going to come over here to the software, and there is no interlock. Everything looks good to go. I'm going to run the test. I click the green arrow to run the test. Okay, the test is complete. The specimen has separated, you can see. Now we're going to remove the specimen from the load unit. So I will open the door. I will give control to the load unit control panel through the handset. Now I have control. Now one of the things I'm going to do is open the upper grip. Upper grip is open. Okay, and I'm going to take out the top broken half, and now I'm going to take out the bottom broken half. There you go. So, the test is complete. That's how you run a tensile test with the static hydraulic test system.